Go away! Ah, Sylvia, I love you. Sylvia. That's right. Corvex loves Sylvia. Oh, Sylvia. Your eyes, your...
The body. A head. An eye. An eye. A nose. A mouth. An ear. A neck. An arm. An arm. A hand. A hand. A leg. A leg. A foot. A foot.
Good. Good. My Sylvia, I've got you now. Print. Lovely. Yeah, that's good. Ah! Where is it? Ah! Here it is, and this, and this. Now where? Ah, here. Now, go. Oh, Sylvia, my Sylvia. Now I've got you.
Muzzy.
B-O-B. You and me? We're friends. We are Bob and Muzzy, Muzzy and Bob are we. Me and you, we are two great friends are we. We are Bob and Muzzy, Muzzy and Bob are we. Me and you, we are two great friends are we. Hey, look!
What?
Look, up there, bars.
Bars?
Lovely, delicious, yummy bars.
Oh, no thanks.
Yes, eat the bars.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're free. You're free. And I'm free. We are free.
You are free, and I am free. We are free.
We are free, you and me, we are free.
Free?
Yes, we're free. Off we go.
Oh!
You and me.
free. I'm wet, I'm cold, and I'm hungry. But I'm free.
Cold. Hot. Hungry. Thirsty. Wet. Dry. I'm thirsty.
Have a drink.
Ah! It's hot.
Oh, sorry.
I'm hungry.
Have a hamburger.
I'm hot.
Have a shower.
I'm wet.
Have a towel.
I'm cold.
Have a sweater.
I'm tired.
Have a rest.
It's cold. Bob. Bob. Where are you? Bob.
Muzzy!
Bob. Where are you?
Here!
Where? I can't see you.
I'm here! In the tree!
What tree?
This tree! Where are you? Yow!
I'm under... Ooh.
Where?
Where are you?
Under the box.
Where are you?
On the box.
Where are you?
In the box.
Where are you?
In front of the box.
Where are you?
Behind the box.
Where are you?
Between the boxes.
Where's the box?
Over there.
Where's the box now?
Over here.
In, on, under, in front of, behind, between. In, on, under, in front of, behind, between.
Are you all right? Are you all right?
Oh, yes. Just cold and wet and hungry. Where's the palace?
It's over there.
Where?
There it is. Over there. That's the palace. Sylvia's there.
I'm Corvax. Listen, can you hear me? Look, can you see me? Can you talk?
Yes, I can.
Can you walk?
No, I can't.
Let me try again. Now, can you walk?
Yes, I can.
Can you run?
No, I can't.
Let me try again. Sylvia, Do you love me?
No, I don't. I don't like you.
Oh, Sylvia!
Now I can run. Bye!
Sylvia! Stop! Come back! What's happening?
I can walk. I can talk. I can hear. I can see. Who are you? Am I you? Are you me? I can jump. I can swim. I can run. This is fun. I am you. You are me. Who are we?
Who are you?
I'm Sylvia. I'm Sylvia. I'm Sylvia. I'm Sylvia. I'm Sylvia. I'm Sylvia.
You're Sylvia?
Yes, we are.
6 Sylvias?
Yes.
Who are they? Sylvia.
6 Sylvias! Ah!
You've got a green dress, you've got a red dress, she's got a blue dress, I like brown. I've got a yellow dress, yellow is for happiness, black and white look all right, but I like brown.
Black and white. Yellow. Blue. Red. Green. Brown. See ya!